Hey everyone, it's Tanya Atomic here, and today I'm unboxing Boxycharm for February. And let's open this up. Everything comes in this box. It's all well protected here. And the first thing in this box, we've got a set of 3 brushes. I did not get a postcard with this particular box. Not sure why. Might have been an oversight. These are Alamar brushes. So this one is bronzer. This one is brightening. And this one is complexion brush. So 3 face brushes. The next thing in here is Queen Matte Liquid Lip Satin in the color Wifey. Okay, let's swatch this. Okay, so that's a pretty kind of deep nude color. Then we have Facial Radiance pads. It says help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. There's a bunch in there. And that is from First Aid Beauty. And they're known for cleansers, skincare, that kind of thing. The next thing in here is Kate Somerville Active Concentrates, Biomimicking Peptides. So that, I think that's like a anti-aging serum. So smooth and firm. And then the very last thing in this box is Ciate Everyday Vacay. And Ciate is one of my favorite brands. I do really like them. Oh, it's a coconut setting powder. And actually, I just finished a Ciate setting powder, so this is nice to have now. Anyway, that's it for the box. Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. You can get it anywhere from a little under 20 to a little over 20, depending on what type of subscription you have. And typically the boxes run about $100, $150 value. I'm not sure what the value of this one is because I don't have the postcard, but I can look that up online probably. The other thing that Boxycharm does that's cool is they have pop-up shop. They do an online pop-up shop like once every couple months, and they usually have a lot of great deals there. And yeah, so let me know your thoughts on Boxycharm below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.